me Cakes, and this is my first animal jam video. Yep. And I just kind of wanted to introduce how I'm gonna be doing these. So I'm not gonna really have any computer audio, I guess, or me talking. But I'm gonna make some animal jam videos as well now because I've gotten into animal jam again, and yeah. So also this is actually this was my original username, and I changed it to Mystic Blossom today, so I made a storage account with this username. And so yeah, I don't plan on getting too many viewers, but I at least want to grab the attention of some people. So feel free to gift me because I'm planning on doing giveaways as well. Obviously some of it I'll keep, but a lot of it will be given away because I actually love giving away things and making other people happy. So yeah. And I'm not doing any trust trading anymore because actually I used to have a red bong collar and I did a trust trade and I got scammed. So yeah, I'm not going to be doing any of that, so don't ask me to do that, please. So right now I'm trying to get it back, so I have a pink long collar right now. Donations help as well, but I'm not looking here to do it. I mainly want to do them for giveaways. So yeah, I hope you guys will watch my videos and stay tuned for more. Also Gotcha Tuber as well, so look out for that. Can't make a lot of videos for Gotcha Studio. Anyway, bye guys.